And that's how the University of Some Place will enable each and every one of you to achieve your dreams. You can be whoever you want to be and do anything you set your mind to. Now everyone say your name and what things you'd like to accomplish here at this university.
Hi, I'm Bob, and I want to dedicate my life to solving climate change.
Hi, I'm Jane, and I want to start my own tech startup.
Hi, I'm Ponderb, and I
have no idea what I want to do. Why does it feel like everyone knows what they want to do in their life? How the heck did they figure it out so early? We're not even 2 decades old. Ugh, my problem is there are too many cool things I want to do. How am I supposed to narrow down the infinite amount of possibilities? How do I figure out what I want to do? Hey there, first year me. Let me help you out. Whoa, is that God? No, that's English philosopher Alan Watts, and he says there are 2 possible reasons why you can't figure out what you want. 1, you already have it, or 2, you don't know yourself well enough. Let's figure out what the heck Alan is talking about. Perhaps you already have what you want in life, but you don't realize it. How is that possible? Well, you could be taking it for granted, or external factors, like society, make you feel like what you have isn't enough. Think about one thing you have. Well, I'm going to university. Right. Now imagine everything in life was the same family, same friends, but without going to university. Do you think life would be better? No, but for some reason, I feel like I'm not taking full advantage of this opportunity. I know uni just started, but I feel like I should try and get a head start, like start networking more, studying now. Pay attention to your language. You keep saying should instead of want. Do you want to go to uni? Yeah. Do you want to network more or study right now? No. It seems like external factors, like society, are pressuring you. You feel inadequate because you aren't doing what you should be doing. But those aren't the things you want to do. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. But I feel like there's something else I want out of life, beyond pursuing a college degree. What do I want to do with this degree? With my life? Alright, let's look at Alan's second point. You don't know what you want because you don't know yourself. You need to know yourself more to get a better sense of what you want in life. Here are a few ways to know thyself. Firstly, understand that learning about yourself is a journey without a destination. You will endlessly learn about yourself. Isn't that exciting? For now, let's try a few mental exercises to see what you want out of life. The process of elimination method is one in which you try everything you're interested in. Then, if it don't spark your joy, move on and appreciate the thing from afar. Don't forget, being good at something doesn't mean you like it. Yeah, I know. I've done my fair share of that, and it's so discouraging. Every time I try something cool, it turns out I actually don't like doing it. It's so draining, endlessly searching for things I might want to do. Okay, I hear you. Maybe try this. Imagine you're going to die tomorrow. What are some things you'd regret doing or not doing? Psh, well, sure, I can list a ton of possible regrets. If I died tomorrow, I'd regret not traveling more or making more art. Congratulations, you've just listed a bunch of things you want. Mission accomplished. No, I feel like I should want things like solving climate change or curing cancer. I feel like I should want to contribute to society. See, there you go again, saying should. That's external factors, like society, pressuring you. Why should you change what you want in life? 'Cause it's so unrealistic. It's not like I'd get more money to travel or get more time to do art. Whoa, take a step back. This isn't a video about getting what you want. We're trying to figure out what you want. Sure, but I need to be realistic with what I want in life. I shouldn't waste my time doing things I don't know I can get. I don't like the uncertainty of it all. That's way too vulnerable of a position for me. I'd be setting myself up for possible failure. Sigh. Then how is getting something you don't actually want the better option? Well, when you put it that way, okay, I think you need to allow yourself to want things you truly want. Give yourself the space to have desires. The more you invalidate what you want, the more resentful you'll become. Listen to yourself saying things like, I should want something else, or it's unrealistic to want that. It's not helpful. Stop! There are more than enough people out there that will try and bring you down. You don't need to be one of them. Life's too short for that. Instead, be your own ally. We're on the same team here. It's normal to feel pressure from external factors, like society, to change what you want in life. Stay strong and don't give in. It's way better to desire something you truly want and not get it than it is to get something you don't want. Trust yourself. Dude, allow yourself to want things you want to want. Hi, I'm Ponderp, and honestly, I just want to learn how to trust myself and live a life I want. Are making you feel like what you are. Why should you want to change your mama? Because it's so unrealistic. It's not like I'd get more time to do money. Fuck.